salesperson problem using branch and bound. Okay, this problem is also solved using the backtracking method, using in also in dynamic programming. Okay, but in branch and bound we can use the LCBB method, that is least count branch and bound, to solve this traveling salesperson problem. The main part is that to find out the shortest path. Shortest path from one vertex to another vertex, and again last vertex is also 1. There is a complete path between 1 to 1, but all vertices are covered here, and the path is what? Shortest path. The cost of that path is minimum. We can use here the branch and bound method. The points to be remembered before applying this branch and bound method: first one, calculate the reduced matrix. Second, change all entries of row I and column J to infinity. In the first step, to apply row and column reductions for calculating this A. Then second, choose one by one. First, row I and column J to infinity to set all the entries. Then set A of J1 is equal to infinity to set that entries to infinity. And fourth, reduce again all rows and columns. Repeat this step again and again. Then to calculate the cost of that reduced matrix is equal to cost of R plus cost of R, that is the previous reduced matrix, and plus cost of A of ij plus R. R, that is the which rows and column reductions are applied. To calculate the sum of all the rows and column reduction and add it to them. Okay, these are the 4 main points to calculate the cost. To consider this adjacency matrix, this is the given adjacency matrix. Okay, first one, to calculate the reduced matrix. First, apply row reductions. Each row, to find out the minimum value. Here is 10 is minimum. Here 2 is minimum. 2 is minimum. In this row 3 is minimum. In this row 4 is minimum. Then apply the row reduction to subtract the value, this value from this first row, this value from second row, and so on. After subtraction, the matrix is 20 minus 10, that is 10. 30 minus 10, 20. Here is 0 and here is 1. Again minus 2. Here is 13, 14, 2, and here is 0. Then here 2, 1, 3. Here is 0, 2. After subtracted from these 3 values, here is 16, 3, 15, 0. Then subtract minus 4, then 12. Here is 0, 3, and 12. Okay, this is the row reduction. Then apply column reduction. Here is 1. Here is 0, then here is 3, smallest value 0, 0. Okay. Now for this first step, calculate the reduced matrix means what? Every row and every column contains 0. This point is very important for calculating this reduced matrix. What? Every row and every column contains 0. That's why we are applying here row reduction and column reductions. Then after applying this column reduction, here 12, here is 0, 15, here is 11. Second column contains 0, there is no need to reduce that column. Then here 3, 17, 11, 12, 0. Okay, this column contains 0, this column contains 0. Okay, this is the column reduction and this one is the row reduction. Then to add this column and row reduction, after adding this all row reduction, then the value is what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 10, 21. And then 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 4 is equal to 25. This is the cost of this reduced matrix. Okay, we can say that is the cost of C cap of A0 is equal to 25. This is the cost of the first one, that is the A0. Okay, then after that, to find out the after that, to draw the state space tree. How to draw the state space tree? Here A0 means what? The first node or the first node is what? 1. Then what are the path from this first node or first vertex? The path is what? Here is 2, that is the path is what? Mention here the path 1 to 2. Another path is what? 1 to 3. Okay. Another path is what? 1 to 4. Another path is what? 1 to 5. Say as A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, this is the path for 1 to 2. This is for 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Why 5? Here are the 5 rows and 5 columns. That is 5 nodes are available. This is the adjacency matrix which contains the 5 nodes or 5 vertex. Okay, that's why we are using here this path. The first vertex is what? 1. The path is 1 to 2. These are the possibilities. Okay. Then after that, this is the here the cost of this 1 is what? Cost of A0 is equal to what? 25. Then after that, to calculate the cost of another A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, we are use these steps for calculating the cost. Okay, then the path is what? 1 to 2. Okay, then first change all entries of row I and column J to infinity. Path is what? 1 to 2 means I is equal to 1 here and J is equal to 2. Okay, here is the matrix. Here is our original matrix. We can use this content or these values to calculating all other entries. Then change all entries of row I and column J to infinity. We are calculating this one, that is path this 1 to 2, cost of this one. Then 1 to 2, first row is infinity and second column is set as infinity. Okay, then set A j comma 1 to infinity. j comma 1, that is value of j is what? 2. Here is the vertex 2, 2 to 1 to set the path. 2 to 1. 2 to 1. Here is infinity. Then reduce all rows and columns again to put the values from this matrix to this. The remaining entries are these are the remaining entries, and check this matrix is reduced or not. Check that every row and column contains 0. Okay, this row contains 0, this row contains 0, this row contains 0, this contains 0. Okay, this column contains 0, 0 here, 0 here. Okay, there is no need to apply the row and column reductions. Then after that, to find out the cost, that is cost of C cap of A1 is equal to, means what? Cost of this 1 to 2 is equal to what? Okay, C cap of A1 is equal to cost of previous reduced matrix is 25, because of the path is from what? A0 to A1, that is 1 to 2. Okay, therefore we can add the cost of this, that is 25, plus A of ij, A of 1 to, in previous matrix 1 to 2, here is the value, that is 10, plus R that is the reductions, sum of all the reductions applied into this matrix. But there is no reductions, therefore the value of R is 0, and then 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. This is the cost of this A1. This cost of A1 is equal to 35. Similarly, we can calculate the cost of A2, that is the path or the cost of 1, 2, 3, then A4 and then A3 and then A4, the cost of A4. That is cost of A2, cost of A3 and cost of A4. Okay, to calculate in the same way. A2, that is the cost of path 1 to 3. First one, change all entries of row 1 and column 3rd is infinity, that is the first row infinity and third column infinity. Set it into infinity. Then set A of j1, A of 3, 1. Third row, first, second and third, set it to 1. Then next, the remaining entries, use this matrix, this one, that is the A0 matrix. Okay, for finding out all the cost, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, use this A0 matrix. Then check, each row and column contains 0. This row contains 0, 0, here is 0, here is 0. Okay, there is no need to apply the row reduction. Then column, okay, here is no 0, therefore the minimum value is what? 11. Here is 0, okay, no problem. Then 0, 0. Then after column reduction, here is, we apply here column reduction. 11 minus 11, 0. 15 minus 11, 4. And then 12 minus 11, that is 1. Here is 0. Okay, this is the column reduction value. Okay, then to calculate C cap of A2, that is the cost for this path 1 to 3. First one, cost of reduced matrix, that is the 25 plus this previous one plus then A of ij, cost of ij, that is the 1 to 3, 1 and 3, here is 7, 70 plus R means what? Sum of all row and column reductions, here is only 11 equal to, cost is what? 25 plus 17 and plus 11, the cost is 53. Okay, here is the cost 53. Similarly, to calculate the cost of C cap of A3 matrix, we can explore this A3. Okay, first and fourth row and column value is set to as infinity. A3, that is the path is what? 1 to 4. Okay, then the path from this fourth 1 to 4, then the possibilities are what? The path is what? 4 to 2, 4 to 3 or 4 to 5. These are the possibilities. Okay, then we can use the vertex A5, A6, A7, and to calculate the cost of this A5, A6, A7. These are the path 4 to 2, 4 to 3, 4 to 5. We can use the value of ij, that is 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, first to find out this A5, the path is what? 4 to 2. Okay, this is what? A5 is equal to, set fourth row and second column as infinity. Fourth row, this is the fourth row, and second column, this one, second column, infinity. Okay, set J1, J, that is 2, 1, set it to infinity. Then after that the remaining entries are check the row contains 0 and column contains, every row contains 0, every column contains 0. Here is 0, 0, here is 0, 0, 0, 0, okay, 0. Then the cost C cap of A5 is equal to cost of previous, that is the previous cost is what? A3's cost. A3's cost is what? 25 plus cost of ij, that is 4 to 2, 4, fourth row and second, third, and plus R is equal to 0. There is no need to apply the row and column reduction, is equal to 28. This is the cost C cap of A5. Okay, and you can write here C cap of A5 is equal to what? 28. It is 28. Similarly, to find out the cost of A6, cost of A7, that is the path 4 to 3, 4 to 5. To find out the cost in similar way, and consider which matrix? That is A3 matrix, this one, not A0, because of this path is from this A3. Okay, therefore consider this A3 matrix. Calculating the cost of C cap of A5, C cap of A6, C cap of A7. The costs are 28, 50, 36. Okay, then the minimum cost is what? 28. That is the C cap of A5, that is the path here 4 to 2. This is the minimum cost. Then we can explore this vertex. Okay, after, okay, path is what? 1 to 4, 4 to 2. Then other possibilities are 1 and 4 is already covered it. Then the path is what? 2 to 3 and 2 to 5. That is A8 and A9. We can calculate the cost of this A8 and A9 and use the matrix, that is A5. This is our A5 matrix. We can explore this A5. Why? Because of C cap of A5 has least cost, that is 28. Then to find out this cost, that is 2 to 3, that is A8 matrix. Okay. Then set second row and third column, that is infinity. Second row and third column. Second row and third column, infinity. Set A of J1, J1 that is 3, 1, 3, 1. Set to infinity, and then the remaining entries from this A5. Okay, check the row contains 0 or not. Here 2. Okay, we can minus here 2. Here 11. Okay, after that, then here is 0 and here is 0. The cost, reduced cost is 2 plus 11 is equal to 30. This is what? Reduced cost. Therefore, cost of A8 is equal to cost of this A5, that is 28. This one 28 plus cost of IJ, that is 2 to 3. Second row and third, that is 11, plus cost of reduced cost, that is 13, is equal to 13. The cost is what? 52. Cost of A8. Then to calculate the cost of A5 in similar, A9, to calculate the cost of A9 in similar manner, C cap of A8 is equal to 52. C cap of A9, after calculate, okay, after calculating this cost, A8 contains 52 and cost of A9 is equal to 28. This is minimum cost. Minimum cost. Therefore, the path is what? 1 to 4, 4 to 2, okay, 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Here, last node is 3. Therefore, the path is 1 to 4, 4 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 3, and then 3 to 1. Therefore, cost is equal to, here is the path, and this path is found using the TSP, using branch and bound. And to find out the cost of this path is 1 to 4. 1 to 4, that is 10, plus 4 to 2, 4 to 2, 6, plus 2 to 5, 2 to 5, 2, plus 5 to 3, 5 to 3, 7, plus 3 to 1, that is 3, is equal to 28.